A ceasefire was just announced between the US and Iran, but before you go ahead and rush to place a trade, here are two things that you must be aware of, and the second point actually happens today. Trump just agreed to go ahead and suspend attacks on Iran for 2 weeks, but it's conditional. Iran has to completely and immediately reopen the Strait of Hormuz. That's where 20% of the world's oil flows through. That's why markets have been trading risk off this entire time. Oil was down 16%, stocks rallying back above that 200-day moving average, and the Fed futures now pricing in a 35% chance of rate cuts as early as December. So what do you watch from here? Well, first, does Iran actually reopen the Strait of Hormuz, or do they drag their feet? We've been seeing this dynamic for the entirety of the war, so watch out if they actually follow through with that. Second, this is the most important one, and this is what happens today. The Fed meeting minutes, they drop later. The Fed has been willing to go ahead and hold rates, with some members even floating the idea of hikes if needed. So if we get a hawkish tone suggesting that they're waiting for all of this to fully pass through, markets can reprice this optimism very quickly. So watch out for today, and don't just catch headlines. Most of the big move has already happened.